Good morning, everyone! It's the first day of our 8-day Dream Empowerment Challenge. So I hope you guys are excited. I know it's very early Sunday morning, but I hope you take the time. Gising muna para sa sarili. So, ayan guys. Kasi alam natin madaming mangyayari today. So, I hope today is the first day we commit to dreaming bigger and bringing our vision to life. So, I'm so excited to be able to do this with you kasi hindi lang naman kayo yung kailangan ng restart. Ako din. Kailangan ko rin ng restart. So, I'm really taking the next 8 days to do this restart with you. So, I hope you join me and commit to yourself every single day. Again, guys, this is just 15 minutes. Sa next few days, since work day, we will be starting at 7:30. And I hope kaya, kasi preparation naman. And in case hindi naman kaya, pwede ninong balikan. So, paano ba? How do you join this? I'm sure if you're watching this video, you're watching this in our Facebook group, Big Dreams Journey, because this is where we're hosting our Dream Empowerment Challenge. But if you're here in this group but did not sign up at challenge.ilovebdj.com, then you won't be receiving our activities like the free downloadables that we're sharing for each day. So if you're here in the group and have not signed up, please do sign up. Pwede po ba kayong humabol? Pwede nyo rin i-share sa mga friends nyo so that we can hawa-hawa na yan. Sabay-sabay tayo to go after our dreams. Okay? So before I go to the Dream Empowerment Challenge, let me talk to you guys about what's happening with BDJ because this year we're launching our 20th edition. Can you believe it? 20 years na. Grabe, no? Ako personally medyo shocked din ako na umabot tayo ganito, but I'm very grateful. We've reached this point. This is definitely a milestone. We want to celebrate this with you guys. So we do this in little ways, in new ways for this 20th anniversary. So from BDJ of Belle de Jour Power Planner, we're moving towards or shifting towards Big Dreams Journey. Bakit? Kasi ever since before naman, BDJ has always been about your dreams, about creating the life that you want. And I guess with what's happened in the pandemic, even sa mga current events, minsan ang hirap na talagang mangarap. And we want to build or start that energy again. We want that energy na, come on, let's dream together. And that's why we're asking you guys also, hatakin niyo yung friends niyo, hatakin yung family and friends you to do this with you. Because there's more, mas magaan siya, mas madali siya pag may kasama ka going after your dreams. And sabay-sabay tayong aangat, sabay-sabay tayong maghihilaan paakyat, 'di ba? So, Big Dreams Journey is where dreams meet action. Hindi tayo pwede puros pangarap lang, wala tayong action. Kailangan nating ng action kahit no matter how small the steps are because we want to go after, we want to be able to commit to living life to the fullest. So, many times I'm sure and ako I fall into this trap of really parang may times nakakapagod, 'di ba? Parang ayaw mo na mag-move, parang na-overwhelm ka, ang daming mga challenges. And that's really part of life. But nobody promised that life would be easy. Nobody promised that your perfect life will just be handed to you, 'di ba? Kailangan nating in a way paghirapan. Kailangan nating aksyonan. Kaya nandito tayo and we want to really build this community wherein we bring dreamers together who actively or who commit to take action. And doon maghahawaan tayo ng energy in this group as a safe space for our dreams to flourish and to bloom. And there, I hope you guys join us. And please do continue committing to yourself, showing up for the next 8 days because this is just 15 minutes. And there's also a reward if you show up for yourself for the next 8 days. So today is day one. So again, if you have not signed up at challenge.ilovebdj.com, hindi nyo po makukuha yung free downloadable natin. So please make sure that you've signed up. If hindi pa, pwede pa rin kayo mag-sign up right now. So every day, we're just asking for 15 minutes, show up for yourself, and do the activity. After you do the activity, there's also a Google form wherein you can share the activity that you finished and if ever you have insights. And bakit importante to have this? Kasi in any of the coaching experiences that I've had, pag hindi ka naging clear in terms of your takeaway or your insights, you don't pin the lesson down, mabilis siyang makalimutan. So actually, meron nga to eh. Parang yung if I remember correctly, syempre ngayon ko lang siya naisip, 'di ba? Na there's an event plus the lesson. Okay? It does not become learning that your body, your mind, your spirit will learn unless you process those two things together. So kung hindi mo siya na-process sa sarili mo, hindi mo siya ma-absorb. So how do you process it? You write it down, you journal it down, and you name it. You name it. What is it? You have a higher chances of retaining the lesson if you're able to process it. So that's the point of the form. And at the same time, syempre to incentivize you guys, if you fill up the form, do the activities for consistently, guys, consistently for the next 8 days, we will be printing your vision board for free. So, ayan, napaka-important yan kasi gusto natin mangarap together and one of the first things that ever since we've given you guys in the first ever BDJ Planner is really a vision board. So, this year, we're giving it for free, tangibly, separate. Before pa dumating yung planner, bibigyan na po namin kayo kasi as soon as possible, we want you guys to be able to manifest your dreams. But only if you're willing to commit to yourself. Commit to yourself for the next 8 days just for 15 minutes. So, yun yung ano natin, yun yung deal natin for the next 8 days. So, I hope you join me for the next 8 days. So, starting today, if you're catching up, meron naman, nakalimutan ko na, tagal na hindi masyado nagla-live, diba? Meron yung mga late hashtag, habol, ano yung dating hashtags natin sa mga, ano, humahabol. Pwede namang humabol, guys. Hindi naman tayo against sa mga humahabol. So please, kung if you're not able to watch on this at the same time, please do watch at any time that you're free. But please do the activity within the day and then submit. And definitely 100% of you that will complete the challenges for the 8 days, we will be printing the vision board. So please do share this also with your family and friends para sabay-sabay kayong mangangarap. Important yan. Para mas magaan eh. When you have, parang the conversations that you have with your friends are all about how will you get some results in terms of your dreams. So it's more positive, it's more proactive, and then maybe it will give you a bit more insight in terms of what you can do. So again, the commitment is 15 minutes, no excuses. And then your reward, of course, the printed vision board coming from us. But also what you will get for yourself is clarity. And more importantly, the momentum. Kaya siya kailangan consistent kasi gusto mo ng momentum. Kalaban kasi natin ang hirap mag-start, 'di ba? Minsan ang hirap talaga mag-start kasi kinakalaban mo yung inertia, 'di ba? Parang in terms of science, yung gustong magstay in place, maintaining the status quo, eh gusto mo ng boost, gusto mo ng start. So kung gusto mo nun, kailangan natin ng restart, kailangan natin mag-build ng momentum. Momentum can only be built through consistency. So please let's build that consistency for you. Let's build that momentum for you para mas masaya tayo in the fourth quarter because raring to go because we're going after our dreams. And yes, we're doing this in the third quarter. Why? Because one of our beliefs in BTJ is really start wherever you are. It's not about starting at the start of the year, starting on a Monday, whatever that is, you start where you are. because that's what's most important. Meaning, some people delay the starting kasi it's not the perfect time, but there's really no perfect time except now. So do it today, even if you're not 100% ready. Just do commitment, commit to yourself, and then just do it consistently. And I'm sure the momentum will gather, positive energy will grow, and you will get the clarity. Okay. So start tayo. Day one, day one, day one. Today, day one. Gagawin na natin to. Our activity for the day is a life balance wheel. So the life balance wheel is just a check-in. This is not at the time to judge yourself. Bakit nandito lang ako? Hindi. It's really just a check-in. Where are you in your life right now? And how happy are you in your life? How fulfilled in this aspect? So, sa mga users ng planners namin, this is very familiar. You've seen it in the pages. So, we're just doing this together. As of today, September 21, nasaan ka in your life right now in this six aspects. So, first, with yourself, diba? So, this is pwedeng self-development, this can be fitness, can be self-love, how good do you feel about yourself? So, in all these six aspects, technically, ikaw magde-define kung ano yung rating mo. Meaning kung ano yung guide questions mo. I will give you some guide questions, like just what I said right now sa self, diba? But technically, this is really just all about you. You just want to check in where you are, how you feel about yourself or this aspect of your life right now. So, pinaka-important is your honesty with yourself, compassion, kasi mamaya yung normal sa atin, 'di ba? We blame ourselves, we feel guilt, we feel regret dito lang tayo. Hindi yun yung time for that right now. Right now, we're just checking in. Nasaan ba tayo? So, first segment is self. So, again, with self, how do you feel about yourself? Again, pwedeng fitness, pwedeng self-development, pwedeng in general, how well you love, like yourself, right? So that is for self. Number two, relationships. So relationship is not limited to romantic. This can be family, this can be friends, this can be workmates. So relationships is essentially the meaningful relationships you have in your life right now. Are you satisfied with them, or do you feel may kulang, may things to improve, and so on? So that's relationships. Number three is career. So career can be your work if you're employed, or it can be if you have your own business, pwede din yun sa career. Kasi that's your career, that's your work. How fulfilled do you feel? How excited are you at work? Parang the kind of work, is that something that you want to do? If you were to live for the next 5, 10 years, is this still what you want to do? I don't know. So again, career, what are the other questions that you have there? Diba? Fulfillment, achievement, in terms of self, nag-grow ka ba? Diba? Is that something you still enjoy? Or do you feel it's not needed that I enjoy it as long as it's financially sustainable, diba? That's also very, very valid. Again, this is your own definition and then your own rating. Okay. Number four, experiences. Experiences is in terms of how well, parang yung life experiences mo right now. Can be related to travel, can be as simple as related to the restaurants or the food that you're experiencing. New experiences siya. Or nag-bungee jumping ka na ba? Kung anong mga experiences na gusto mo, na parang very personal to you, na this is really what I want to experience, na parang when I say I live life to the fullest, I've experienced all of these. So in terms of your experiences at this age, kasi mamaya i-judge yung sarili niyo na hindi niyo pa nagagawa sa katutak na bagay. Based on your age naman, based on the capacity, parang how do you feel about it? Diba? So again, you can write this down, you can journal, but yung important lang for our activity is a self-rating. Self-rating, self-define, kayo magde-define kung ano yan lahat. And walang mag-a-assess niya na, bakit ganito? Bakit ito yung grade mo sa sarili mo? Hindi yan ganyan. This is just all about you. Okay. Number 5, material things. O, issue yan ngayon, 'di ba? Sa current events, napaka-ostentatious ng mga iba-ibang tao dyan. So, but when you check in with yourself, ano ba talaga yung mga bagay na gusto mong makuha? Or if you feel like when you have this, there's a sense of fulfillment. And again, all of these aspects, they're very personal. Parang what's important to me might not be important to you and vice versa. So again, there's no judgment. Just identify kung ano man ito. And again, at this point in your life, where are you in terms of that? And don't judge yourself. Allow yourself. Give yourself permission to want things. Okay? Last but not the least is community. So I'm really a believer of community, and community does not necessarily mean an official organization or whatnot. It can be just the people you help, people who are helping you. So community medyo mas group yung feeling versus yung relationships mas one-on-one. So community maybe can be people, again, people you help, if that's what your definition would be or your criteria, can also be your general support system. So, kayo magsasabi from 1 to 10, how happy, satisfied are you in this aspect of your life? And I hope the 6, this is just easy. Bakit siya easy? Kasi you're not supposed to overthink this. Just feel and allow. If you want to journal for each aspect, that's very good. For if you've attended any of our journaling workshops, we do time journaling. So just do a time journaling 1 to 2 minutes per aspect if you want to just reflect on it. But the most important thing for today and our output is just the self-rating. And when you're done, please do submit it in the Google form so you're eligible to our free vision board. So I hope you guys are excited. I'm excited. And I want to be able to see all your vision boards kasi gagawin talaga natin to together. So, isa-isa, 15 minutes per day starting today. Um, Show up. Set your alarm. Block this off already. Okay? So, I'll see you guys tomorrow, but don't forget you can access this downloadable only if you're signed up at challenge.ilovebdj.com, because doon po namin i-email namin sa inyo ito, and that's also where you'll get the link so you guys get to join and get the free vision board. So with that, have a great Sunday, and if you're doing any activities today, please be safe. Thank you.